everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little holiday glam. We all know we want to look great for the holidays, so today that's what we're going to be doing. Going from to going to oh. Today I'm actually partnering with Sigma Beauty for this video, which is great because I already used all of their brushes. So nothing better than that. But really their brushes are absolutely great to use. They are cruelty free and they even have a free 2-year warranty because they know their quality is great. They know they're not going to have to replace, but if they do have to, they will. So for this video I use Sigma brushes, of course, and I use some Sigma products and some other products. So if you want to see how I get this glam holiday look to look like a whole snack, to look gorgeous, then keep on watching and let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with that already moisturized face, you know. Gotta prep the face before I put some foundation on. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with foundation. I'm gonna use the Fenty Pro Filter Foundation in 360, and I'm actually gonna use this Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush. I love this brush. I'm always using this to put on my foundation. When I do wear foundation, it's my go-to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit. I don't put on a lot of foundation. It's like using a pump and a half maybe. So I just brush it on both sides and then blend it out from there. This brush is actually their #1 best-selling brush, and I can see why and how. Now for concealer, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape and Laura Mercier's Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. I used to use this concealer by itself, but my face is so much drier. I can't use it by itself. I have to mix it in with this one. I usually only use this one if I'm not wearing foundation. But if I'm going for more of a glam look, I'll mix them together. And to blend this out, I'm gonna use the 3D HD blender. This blender is shaped so cool, but it's got like a flat and a pointy side. I'm gonna use the round side to blend out my concealer. And it gets all the way up in there in the crease. And to set the concealer, I'm gonna use Laura Mercier's translucent powder and the same blender. Just dip it in there, dab it up. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in Tan, and I'm going to also use the Sigma Large Powder F20 brush. I love how big this brush is. I could just go all over my face so quick. And then to bronze, I'm going to use Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in Deep Tan, along with the Sigma Powder Blush F10 brush. All these brushes are really high quality and very, very, very affordable. That's why I love Sigma, and that's why I'm always using their brushes. Okay, now time to do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder along with the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is in shade 5. This is in the shade 6. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up. And I'm actually gonna use this small angled brush. This is the E65 to apply the powder. And I'm gonna get the darker shade on the outside. And then I'm just gonna follow along the edge of my brow and go ahead and fill it in. I really like this small angled brush because I can do little tiny brush strokes even with the powder. And then after that, I like to get the brow pencil and then just go ahead and quietly make some hair strokes along throughout the brow. And I'm just gonna set my eyebrows with some 24-hour brow setter. It doesn't even have the name on it anymore because I use it so much, it's rubbed off. Okay, for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette. And to start off, I'm going to use the Tapered Blending E40 brush. And I'm gonna start off with henna, this brown color right here. And I'm gonna go lightly along the outsides of my eyelid, my crease. And then after that, I'm gonna get rouge right here, the reddish color. And I'm just gonna pack this on my eyelid using the same brush. And then we're gonna blend it out into henna. And then after that, we're gonna get Bittersweet right here. It's the gold color along with the large shader E60 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my brush a little bit with some setting spray because I want the color to be bam poppin', So I'll go ahead and wet it, and then we're gonna go ahead and place this on the inner corner of the eye and go all the way up and stop wherever the last eyeshadow stopped. And then we're gonna go halfway over, and that's it. And then just blend out the edges with your finger. Now I'm gonna get this really small pencil E30 brush, and I'm gonna mix some of henna and rouge together. We're gonna put it on the lower lash line. And then for this look, we're not gonna use an eyeliner. We're just gonna do mascara on our lashes and no lashes as well, because it just looks really nice and bam. So up next, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Now I'm gonna use the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. And while my eyelashes are still wet, I like to kind of just push them up, like, I don't know, but I feel like it helps, and it helps them dry sticking up. So I just do this, close my eyes, and just keep doing that. I probably look crazy right now, but I'm telling you, it helps. Now I'm gonna use this Sigma Chroma Glow palette. There's so many pretty colors in here, I gotta show you. Look at this. I love it. So these are like highlights, but I'm actually gonna use Lush like a blush very lightly. So I'm gonna get Lush on this Tapered Face 425 brush. Lightly put it on the cheek. Now I'm gonna get the Tapered Highlighter F35 brush. It's a smaller brush right here. And I'm actually gonna use Bedazzle right over here, and we're gonna go ahead and put that on the cheekbone. Now I'm gonna use the Sigma Lip Vex in the color All Heart. This gloss smells so good. Like, it smells like vanilla. Like, this is a everyday gloss you need to keep in your makeup bag because it's that good. I actually forgot. I'm gonna go ahead and lip line my lip on the outside a little bit. Instead of taking the gloss off, I just did it on top because it's gonna do the same thing. And there we go. This is the final look, so you can look scrumptious for the holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And also, don't forget to check out the description box to check out a discount code to buy some stuff from Sigma so you can stock up. You don't want to miss out on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, like I said, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!